Hey, what is up guys, it's the iCracker here, back again with another video. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to install the recently released iOS 13 on your iPhone running iOS 12. So that's the iPhone, from the iPhone 6s to the iPhone 10s Max, including the iPhone SE. And this just, the build for iOS 13 just came out a few days ago on Monday, and it's been quite a struggle for many people to actually get their hands on it, because Apple actually didn't release a developer profile that you could just simply install on your phone like last year with iOS 12. So people have had to resort to installing iOS 13 on their Macs, and for us Windows users, obviously, that's a bit of a problem with the if we want to test out iOS 13, we can't because we don't have a Mac. Well, in today's video I'm showing you how to actually install iOS 13 on your device without a Mac. So I'm going to be doing it on Windows 7, which is obviously not a Mac, and I'm be showing you on my how to do it on my iPhone SE, which is, as you can see if I just focus on that, iOS 13.0, and you can see clearly it's a iPhone SE. You can tell by the battery at the top and the no SIM with the blank signal bars as well. And also to just verify that it is actually iOS 13. Let me just see, display and brightness. As you can see, there's light and there's dark. If I go dark mode activates. Now I'm in dark mode, as you can see. And also from the control center as well. There you go. So now you know this is iOS 13. So let's get straight to it. So to do this, you are going to need to download the IPSW for iOS 13, as well as the Libi Mobile 2019, which is basically a command-based kind of thing that will it functions as iTunes, but it's for installing iOS 13, stuff like that. But trust me, it's not anything dangerous or anything. It won't harm your phone in any way. You'll keep all your data, and it will be fine. So don't even worry about that. So your data will be kept, and it'll be similar to iTunes. This will show the update screen, and yeah. So I'm just for this video, I'm gonna reflash. Reflash iOS 13 onto my iPhone SE using the CMD tool, and you are gonna need the IPSW for this, of course. So yeah, they're both linked in the description. So come back to this video once you've actually downloaded both of them. So what you should have is a folder called iOS 13 made on your desktop with the device that you've downloaded iOS 13 for. So in this case, it's going to be my iPhone SE. But say if you want it on your 6S too, you are going to have to download that IPSW as well, as you can see there. I did flash this on the iPhone 6S, which is currently not on me at the moment, but it does work on my 6S, and it worked with no problems. I kept all my data on that 6S, and it was all good. It's just like updating from say iOS 12.3 to 12.4 when it comes out, or if you've done an iPhone update in the past, it'll be pretty similar to that. So once you've got this and this, sorry, you are actually going to open the command prompt. So CMD, then of course that's going to open in that window. So of course once you've got CMD open, you are going to open this folder, and you're going to go to where it says iDevice Restore. As you can see, iDevice Restore, you're just going to drag that all the way to the command prompt. Once you've got that there, press space and then put -D and then do another space and then go back, and where it says your IPSW, you're gonna get that. Now for this purpose I've obviously renamed it to iPhone SE, but for you it might say iPhone 4.0 if you're on an SE, or iPhone 4.7 if you're on a 6S, 7, 8 maybe. But in this case, iPhone SE. If I just drag this profile, the IPSW over here, as you can see, now that's obviously there. And you're gonna want to make sure your iPhone is, connected to your computer. And so when, obviously, as you can see, it's just detected it. And yeah, so you're gonna connect this to your computer. So of course, once you've connected to your iPhone, and you just make sure you have iTunes installed so that your iPhone is actually recognized. And once you've done this bit, the CMD bit, all you're gonna want to do is press enter. And as you can see, it's gonna start. Let's give it a few seconds to go from the screen. And yeah, at this point I might actually speed it up just for keeping this video short. So there we go. So now it's connected to the iPhone. It's going to extract the IPSW. This might take a bit of time depending on your PC, obviously. So just wait on that, and then from there it'll take about maybe 5 to 10 minutes to get this. And yeah, just wait at this point. And as you can see, the device will now obviously shut down. I'll go into recovery. It'll reboot, go into recovery. Now for you, your screen may be different. It might show the iTunes logo here and the lightning cable. But as you can see, there's a USB-C cable. So could this be maybe a hint to the 2019 iPhones having a USB-C cable? Who knows? But yep, it'll just restart again. So this will act just like iTunes, basically. So from here, and my arm is actually getting quite tired holding this up. I'm just gonna do that. So as you can see, yeah, so from here it's just pretty much restoring now. Well, when I say restoring, it's actually updating. So if I just focus in on the phone, as you can see, the bar is there. So yeah, just at this point, just don't touch your iPhone and you should be good, honestly. So at this point, I'm just going to speed it up for you, so you don't have to sit and wait for the restore process to happen. I'll speed this up for you. as you can see now, it's just completed, and from now you can actually disconnect your lightning cable, as I'll do here. You can just disconnect it like that, and now it will just boot up into iOS 13. Just give it a few seconds. It's gonna do just gonna clean everything up from the install, and this should oh, never mind. So now it's asking me for my passcode. So of course, I don't recommend you actually putting in setting this as your passcode, but obviously just for the demonstration, I'm just gonna put 1 2 3 4 5 6. And as you can see, fully fledged iOS 13 now on my iPhone SE, running. There you go. Just focusing on that. iOS 13.0, model name iPhone SE. So this is actually a genuine iPhone SE. I'm not lying to you. Software update, we can even check iOS 13.0. Yeah. So as you can see, everything's fine now. And just to prove this is, if you want further proof this is iOS 13, I'm just gonna hold down on. So as you can see, haptic touch on the iPhone SE, which is basically 3D touch. But yeah, so here we have fully fledged iOS 13 running on my iPhone SE. And yeah, I hope this video helped you installing iPhone SE. iOS 13 successfully. This will also work on with iPad OS as well. So from the iPad Air 2 to the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 2018 models. Of course, the iPad Mini 4 and 5 are supported with iPad OS 13. Stupid naming scheme, but iOS 13 is pretty much iPad OS 13 as well. They're basically the same thing, it's just renamed. But yeah, this will also work obviously with iPad OS and the iPads. I can't make a video on that because I don't actually own an iPad. But yeah, so anyway, this is iOS 13 fully working on my iPhone SE. I hope this video helped you. Please share, like, comment. Comment in the, obviously as usual, comment below if you need any help. I'll try my best obviously to reach you and reply back to you. So yeah, that's it for this video, and yeah, take it easy.